We'll guide you through how to install DaVinci Resolve on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official DaVinci Resolve website using your browser. Once there, click on the free download now in your page. Now you'll see options for different operating systems. Choose the one that matches your system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. After selecting your operating system, you'll be prompted to fill out a registration form. Enter your details, and then click Register and Download. Your download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to launch it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install DaVinci Resolve. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing an installation location. Make sure you have enough space on your hard drive. The installation process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once installed, you can find DaVinci Resolve in your Applications or Start menu. Open the program, and it might prompt you to set up initial preferences like your storage location or keyboard layout. Go through these settings to customize your workspace. And there you have it. DaVinci Resolve is now ready to use for all your video editing projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.